Hello customers, this is Fancy from Shandong Fudeng Automobile Company. Today I will introduce our 3-line 6-axle detachable gooseneck low bed semi-trailer to you. Look at, this is our detachable gooseneck. This is GAC brand diesel engine. It used to provide hydraulic power to this gooseneck. This gooseneck are detachable when loading the heavy-duty equipment. So the heavy-duty equipment will loading from this front leader. The total length of it is about 18.65 meters. The width of it is about 3.5 meters. The loading surface length is about 8 to 10 meters. If you want to transport the heavy-duty equipment, we will design it according to your requirements. This is the 3-line 6-axles. The brand is N axles. If you want to 4-line 8 axles, we can design it according to your need. If you are interested in our products, welcome to inquiry. Thank you.